Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a brand new arrival of ours. This is a 2024 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. Gorgeous boat with full hull black gel coat with a horizon gray accent stripe. The 310 SLX is an incredibly comfortable boat with a phenomenal running surface, huge oversized trim tabs from Lenco, gives you added stability as well. We had the boat powered with twin V10 350 horsepower Verados from Mercury with joystick. Tremendous power. Underwater lights as well. And now we'll make our way up inside. Here on the swim platform on Sea Ray's 310 SLX, this boat has a fold-out step on the port side, which is great when you're beached or anchored. Easier access to get in and out of the boat, or if you just want to hang your feet into the water. Got a full walk-through transom, so you can easily get from one side of the boat to the other. Huge sunpad back here with a ton of storage below. That's all drained. Great place to keep canvas, deflated tubes, extra life jackets. Nice ash-facing seating here with a contoured backrest. Got a stereo remote control, charging ports for your devices. And these backrests actually click up into place. You want to change the elevation of how you recline. Likewise, easily fold back down. Cup holders on both sides as well. This is the dune interior. It looks really sharp with the black gel coat. As we make our way back towards the cockpit, we've got a cooler box here. Battery switches are immediately located. Freshwater sprayer as you re-enter. We've also got a pull-in dock door. Makes it a little easier to get in and out of the boat with those taller docks. This is a powered hatch to access the bilge, so just push this button, this whole aft area will raise up. You can access batteries, steering pumps, anything that you keep in the engine compartment, basically. Step down into the cockpit. We've got the brown sea deck throughout. Wet bar area on the starboard side with a freshwater sink. Compartment with a trash can, refrigerator, and a Kenyan electric grill beneath the Korean countertop with a little cooler box here as well. Nice L-shaped settee lounge area in the cockpit on the starboard side. Incredibly comfortable boat. Easy access to cup holders. There's also another hidden cooler box here. So plenty of spaces to house all the drinks without taking up floor space. You do have a large storage box here beneath the port side. That's continued throughout all of the other cockpit seating. Another storage compartment here beneath this starboard seat. Coming up to the helm area. Oversized helm seat with a bolster that raises and lowers. You've got great visibility on this boat. Nice elevated angled footrest as well. Digital throttle and shift with those Mercury Verados. This boat's also joystick equipped, so you've got joystick, skyhook, and autopilot all tied into one. Instrumentation is all easy to get to. We've got our control for our SIMRAD units here. Twin SIMRAD screens up front. Touchscreen fusion head unit for the sound system. We've got some redundancy switching also for some lights, windlass anchor, a horn. Dynamic running surface for those auto trim tabs. We've got controls here for those as well. VHF from SIMRAD. And then on both this seat and the observer seat, we have a storage compartment beneath. Great place to keep manuals that you want to have on board, owner's bags, that sort of thing. And that's repeated on both sides. This companion seat actually swivels inward to face the cockpit. So you've got really awesome social zone here where everybody feels like they're included, whether you're underway or you're anchored or hanging out. There is storage in the floor as well, right here, which is another great place to keep longer items. That's the cover for the boat that's currently stowed away there. The head on this boat is really nice. Tons of headroom. Freshwater sink. Nice accents as well. Really luxurious area. Also a great changing area as well. Glove box here that's lockable. Great place for wallets and keys. Big oversized hardtop with speakers built in. Overhead lighting as well. Coming forward, the boat's distribution panel is easily accessed. And then we have a block-off door in addition to being able to close the windshield on those cooler running days. And then the bow on this boat is super comfortable. We have bow table mounts on both sides, expansive seating throughout with armrests that come down on both sides. A ton of room to stretch out here. You've got cup holders on both sides, 3 on each. Wrapped grab handles as well for some added comfort. Also got stainless steel grab rails down below here. And then storage beneath this bow seating is really expansive. All of these seats actually open up, including really large access on the starboard side where you have space for the table storage. There's a bow filler cushion with a platform that sets in here. Cushion stows beneath this compartment here. Boat also has a remote controlled anchor windlass and a spotlight, which you'll see up front. You need to access that windlass rod and chain. You can easily do so here, or just if you want to spray that area out to keep it clean. And that is a walkthrough of our Sea Ray 310 SLX. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions or interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.